Yo yo yo, today I have for you some Au Navalha combos. If by any means you don't know how to do Au Navalha, there is a tutorial on my channel for that movement. Please help yourself and then crack on with those combos. It's good training. Let's go. You know what? Sometimes I'm wondering why I'm doing this to myself. Those kind of sessions are quite exhausting. But good for me and hopefully good for you. Hope you find it interesting and useful. Please do let me know. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.